Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Nearby Share on your Samsung Galaxy M13 and how to use Nearby Share on your device. So firstly, you need to open control panel on your Galaxy M13. Then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, mobile services if you have SIM card, of course. Then find Nearby Share, click and hold on it. Wait a while. Tap Add or Verify. Scroll down, click Yes, I'm in, and cool. Now change device name if you want, for example, Samsung 13. Okay, you can change device visibility mode. I suggest to use everyone mode, and you can change data usage mode too. You can use Wi-Fi only. You can choose data and Wi-Fi, or without internet. Without internet mode using only Bluetooth, Wi-Fi only using Bluetooth and internet and Wi-Fi. Mobile data includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. So cool. Now just enable Nearby Share and cool. Now you can send, now you can receive files using Nearby Share on your Samsung Galaxy M13 device. For example, I want to send image, for example, this image from my Samsung Galaxy device to my OnePlus device. How can I do it? So on your device, click on Share button, then click Nearby Share. And in this menu you will see all available devices. For example, now just click on OnePlus, accept, and cool. Now I have this image on my phone. Or I can send another image from my OnePlus device to my Samsung device. So on my OnePlus device, I click on Send button via Nearby Share. Here I will see I have my device here. What the? Okay. Click on Galaxy M13, and on my Galaxy M13 I click on Accept button, and cool, as you can see, Nearby Share works. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.